you ever wondered why we hiccup? It's annoying, it's loud, and it always happens at the worst time. You've tried holding your breath or having someone scare you, but nothing works. Why does your body suddenly lose control and start making this weird noise? So here's what's actually happening. A nerve in your chest gets irritated. This causes your diaphragm to snap upward suddenly. To stop the air from rushing in too fast, your vocal cords snap shut, creating that hic sound. It usually happens because you ate too fast, drank something fizzy, or even just got too excited. Your body is basically just throwing a tiny temper tantrum. Like and subscribe if you've ever had hiccups that just wouldn't stop.